Hello, Leo. How are you today?
Um,
Do you feel good? Okay, we're going to start now with our speaking test. And part one is find the differences. This is your copy. Okay, now listen to me because I'm going to say about my picture. Okay, Leo, in my picture, the time is 1:15. In my picture, the time is
the time in the one.
okay. In my picture, the man with the baby is buying stamp.
Um,
Okay, again. In my picture, the man with the baby is buying stamp. In my picture, okay, next. In my picture, the man who is waiting is reading a newspaper. In my picture,
in the man is
buying
buying
stamp.
pen.
Okay, next. In my picture, there is a firefighter in the post office. In my picture,
In my picture,
there is
there is
police officer.
police officer.
Okay. In my picture, there are two pyramids on the wall.
In my picture,
There is
there is
a
it is
building
building
on the wall.
on the wall.
Okay, very good. That's the end. Now let's have the second part. Okay, so this is the second part, Leo. Okay, so I'm going to ask you about Betty. Okay, so you answer that. Okay, are you ready? Okay, Leo, where is she going to?
The
The desert.
desert.
What is she going to do there? What is she going to do there?
Uh,
To
in the
village.
village.
Okay. How much time will it take to get there?
Six, six,
6 hours. Is she excited or bored?
is
Is she excited or bored?
that
Okay. How much does the ticket cost? How much does the ticket cost?
is
590.
590.
Okay. Now you ask me about Richards.
Where is he go to?
Okay. He is going to the South Hill Castle.
How much time will it take to get there?
Okay. It's 4 hours.
How much the ticket cost?
The ticket cost 260.
And he is still
Bored.
boy.
He is bored.
What is he go to do there?
He is going to repair the castle entrance. Okay. Now let's